Look at Patti fraternizing with the help.
Oh, shut up. Just be kind.
You look pretty today.
I have
Oh,
bad
wow.
hair.
Did you, everybody see what she just did?
I have
Oh,
bad
yeah.
hair today.
Cute and innocent Patti. Right. Sure. All right, guys, I want to show you something. Before we head out to New York, we got Shay working on bar stools again today. But one other thing, real quick before I get to my main point, is we got another Tiki bar going out tomorrow. Small one. Going to, what? Who? Because my back's out. I could barely stand up. So we got that one going to Harrisburg tomorrow. We had another one, the same kind, the Island Hopper. That was picked up by a customer this morning. So, but I want to show you guys. This is, I just finished the last step before we're going to be taking this bar apart. And I was asked a question from I think the last video I put out of this Tiki bar. And it was, how in hell do you plan on getting that out of your door? Because this bar is way bigger than the door. So the answer is, the roof actually opens up. Everything's on hinges here. And there's a military helicopter coming. We're going to strap this to the helicopter and they're going to fly it up to Lake Ontario, Cape Vincent, New York. Y'all believe that? Actually, this bar will be able to come apart in many, many pieces. So I just finished doing all the rope on it. It's like 5 miles of rope on this thing, if you guys could see all the rope on it. But there's different spots that actually come apart. So like the rope here is temporarily screwed in because that will be pulled off. And the bar top actually comes apart. There's a seam here. I don't know if you guys can see that seam. It actually comes apart there. And right underneath that, the frame actually comes apart. So there's several areas like that all around the bar. Even though it looks like it doesn't come apart, it does. And this is the last time I think we're gonna see this thing all together until we get it up to New York and put it back together. So I think we got one more coat. It's been damp and miserable here the last couple days, and the finish on it really isn't drying properly. So I'm gonna give it another day before we sand it and put the final coat on. And then once I do that, I'll put the ice bin in, which goes right there. And then all the other equipment is going to be installed up in New York. There's a big Beermeister double, I don't know how many taps, I think 6 taps actually will be going into that cabinet there. There's a big beer cooler going there, and on the opposite side where I'm standing, there's another one. So let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate all you guys' comments, and I love all you guys following me. And let's see, let's go outside. I got Daniel, he's out there thatching another small roof with the synthetic for another Island Hopper. So, all right, what do you guys think? And if you guys like my content, please follow, like, and share. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, looking forward to all your guys' comments. Tiki Kev out.